You know, when you evacuate from a hurricane, when you get back to your house, the first thing you're going to want to do is check out your food supply. But here's a way that 1/4 can save you a whole lot of hassle. You see, before you evacuate for that hurricane, in your freezer, put a small cup and fill it full of ice, freeze it solid, and then put a quarter on top. When you get back, if it's still frozen solid and that quarter is on the top, that means even if you did lose electricity, it wasn't long enough for the food inside your freezer to thaw. On the other hand, if you get back and you find that your cup of water is liquid water or that quarter is all the way on the bottom, that means the power was out long enough for your food inside your freezer to completely thaw out. Don't eat it.
Sponsored by New South Window Solutions, designed specifically for Florida weather. Built for maximum hurricane protection, energy savings, and to keep your family safe, visit newsouthwindow.com.